Once upon a time, there were two cats. They were good friends. La 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 la. They got a piece of bread. While sharing, they made big and small things. So they began to fight. At the same time, a monkey saw them fighting. The monkey said,
Here, friends, stop fighting. I will solve your problem.